Good morning, it's travel day. So we are heading from where we are now in Ao Nang to Phuket, Kata beach. And yeah, we are going to do it our own way. We're not going to get the ferries and the minivans and things because they're quite expensive. So we're going to do it the public bus way.
We are, yeah.
So that means 3 stages. We have stage 1, getting the bus from the main street to Krabi bus station. Part 2, getting the hopefully air-conditioned coach from Krabi bus station to Phuket bus station.
Big hopefully there.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Part 3 is getting a local bus from Phuket bus station. I'm trying to get this all right. Phuket bus station over to Kata beach. So we have no idea how long this is going to take us. And we're just hoping it's going to go nice and smoothly.
Yeah, I can't see there being a problem. Like, we've taken quite a lot of public transport now, and they're all pretty well organised. So yeah, it's super cheap compared. So it's about half the price, if not a third.
Well, it's a lot cheaper than getting the boat. Yeah,
the boat's actually really expensive from Krabi to Phuket. So be aware of that if you're going to be travelling from here.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see how that goes.
Yeah, so we'll take you along for the ride and show you how to get from Ao Nang to, Krabi, from Krabi to Phuket a bit cheaper than they're all making out.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so step 1. There are lots of bus stops all down the main road. They're just super easy to spot. The bus comes I think every 10 or 15 minutes, and it's only 60 baht each to the bus station. Let's do it.
How much? That's Lorna's space when she's on these buses. Oh, there's a car there.
We're just on the wrong side of the road.
Goodbye bus number 1. Hello bus station. How are you feeling after that?
I actually feel nauseous.
I feel quite sick.
I think I've lost 8 of my 9 lives.
Well, there's 1 out of 3.
Oh my gosh. No, in all seriousness, he's the most insane bus driver we've had yet. How we didn't crash about 7 times in a 20-minute journey is beyond me.
That was pretty nuts.
Like, I was genuinely scared at one point. But that is the only time that I've been that scared, so I don't think it's a reflection on the whole transfer bus situation. I think it's probably him in particular. Watch out.
I know, they're going really slow.
But yeah, we're at the bus station now, so hopefully the next one will be a little bit better.
Oh. Yeah? Okay, thank you. Krabi to Phuket. Hello.
To Phuket.
Phuket.
Okay.
So what have we actually got here?
I think we have a slightly fancier bus because we have a toilet on it.
Yeah, we opted for a toilet.
Yeah, it was only, what did she say, 110 for without a toilet and 130 I think, or 140 each?
140
140
yeah.
each for one with a toilet. I just thought, we don't know if it's going to stop. You just never know, it's just better just to have that option and for only like 30.
Well, with what you're like, you need a toilet.
Exactly, otherwise I'm a nightmare. So yeah, apparently it's coming in 5 minutes and it should be nice and easy. And we don't have to wait around for hours, which I was kind of mentally prepared for waiting around.
So yeah, we will see. You like it?
Sure, so we're going to go and have a little look around and see what we can find. But that bus journey was okay. I mean, it was on time. Like, we've got here and it's just after 2 o'clock, so it was 3 hours. It was okay. There was plenty of space. It was pretty bumpy, but other than that, it wasn't so bad. So yeah, let's go find out how to do stage 3.
Okay, number 12. Looks like we're getting the public bus to Phuket town. 15 baht. Okay, so bus 3 out of 4 down. That was an unexpected third.
Yes, that one crept in on us.
But it was quick, so that's fine. It was only 15 bars, or there's like literally 10p each. Now we'll cross this road, get to the bus terminal. Yeah, and then we're going to get about a half an hour bus to Kata beach. That's the plan. We shall see. It should be quite a cheap bus too, because it's like a local bus, so no aircon, nothing fancy. Yeah, let's see if this is the right way. We've got to get Google Maps back out. Alright. Okay, so that was a bit of a balls up. We were supposed to get off at downtown, not at the bus terminal, which is actually a 20-minute walk, but we both said we haven't come this far on buses trying to save money to now get a taxi somewhere. So yeah,
I am persistent. We are going to do this. So yeah, if you want to do this, you get the public bus labelled to Phuket town. There, we're just trying to dodge a puddle. And you stay on it till the end of the line, to downtown market. You do not get off at bus terminal 1, which seems like the logical choice.
Well, it seems logical, and the most annoying thing is you tell people Kata Beach and they give you quite a grumpy look and just don't tell you anything. So you're kind of working it out via Google Maps and blogs and stuff. So hopefully this will stop some of you.
I think they must, I don't know, they must work with the taxi guys or something, and if you don't want to get a taxi then they don't like it. I don't really know. I don't know why they don't want to help you.
I think it is massively that. Like, they like to make money off of you through taxis. They don't like you taking the public buses.
Well, no, in Bangkok, like, they were very friendly and helpful with the buses. We've just found it a little bit more challenging since being out of Bangkok.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But yeah, we'll see how we can get down there now. I think, how long does it say now?
15?
15-minute walk, so
this is the right way.
It's not the end of the world. Okay, we found the stop. Everyone's gonna try and stop sweating.
Look at that.
Nice. Oh yeah.
I'm hoping this is the 4th and final bus of this journey. We left, it's 3 o'clock now.
Oh blimey, it's been ages.
Yeah.
It's like 5 hours ago.
Yeah, just under 5 hours ago. So hopefully this one will get us to where we need to be.
So we're gonna hope. Yeah, getting cold drink, I'll wait and see if the bus comes. Okay, so off the 4th bus. I think it's about a 5-minute walk, something like that. We're pretty knackered now. I think Lorna's feeling the travel feels. Yeah, it's literally going to be a few minutes now and we should be at our hotel. I think it's a bit of a hill because we're at the top of a hill somewhere. But yeah, we'll give you a little room tour when we get there and we'll kind of work out how long it actually took overall and how much it all cost. Made it. We are here near Kata beach. How you feeling?
Oh man. I am so sweaty and hungry. All I have left is a small banana. But it was so much cheaper. Yes, it may have taken, how long has it taken? 10 past 10 to like...
What's the time now?
Well, 20 to 5. So 4:40.
Okay. So, yeah.
My brain isn't even working.
No, mine either. The show is 10 and 5, so it's like 7 hours.
It's not 7 hours.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Or just under, like 6.5. So 6.5 hours. I've got all the numbers down to do a quick recap because there's 4 buses in the end. The first bus was 80 baht, which took us from Ao Nang to Krabi bus terminal. Second bus was from Krabi to Phuket. That was 140. The third bus was from Phuket bus terminal to, where did it go to? Oh, to Phuket Centre. And then the fourth bus was from Phuket Centre to Kata beach. Overall, that cost $275. So that's about £6.60 in English money. Pretty cheap really for what it was. But we're here, it took a long time.
To be honest though, even if you take the quick and easy way, so the more expensive way, we did that for, what was that for? Koh Lak to Koh Lanta.
Yeah.
And even then it takes hours and hours.
Yeah, that took 6 hours, I remember that.
Yeah, I don't think we would have saved much on time.
8 hours, it was 8 hours, yeah.
But we have definitely saved on money, so that's a win. We'll go down to the beach, go down to Kata beach and see what we can find down there, whether we can get some food on the beach or near. Yeah, and we'll just check it out, because I don't even know what it looks like.
No,
don't even know what it looks like, so it's going to be news to us as well. So we'll see you then.
Let's freshen up.
Yeah, see you in a bit. So we're freshened up and we're just going to pop down to the beach, hopefully just in time before the sun sets, and then we're going to definitely grab some food because we are so hungry.
Okay, so I just made it to Koi's restaurant. I found this on Google Maps as one of the best review places. There's some local women who speak really good English, really tasty food, and really cheap shakes. So yeah, we'll see how it is, but it looks really cool. It's very authentic. Our first chicken satay. Not bad, is it? Our first one. Is it messy? Oh man. Yeah, this is mine. Yeah, so I got good. It's these like authentic thick noodles, wide flat ones. They're always really tasty. It's almost like a lasagna sheet. It's actually it's really good.
I went with the green curry, got some pork, some rice, and this is so good. It's got loads of veggies in it. It's just what I need right now.
We also got a third shake. We got a passion fruit one. So good.
They're so yummy and they're only like 40 baht.
It's a winner.
The cheapest we've seen.
Oh man, that was an awesome meal. Koi's restaurant, I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
So good. So Google Maps strikes again. That was amazing.
It was so cheap. It was
really tasty.
Yeah, so tasty. Fruit shakes for 40 baht. Meals for 50. Oh.
It was awesome, but as you can see from our shiny faces, it's bloody hot here.
It is so hot.
Yeah.
Like all of a sudden, I swear it was like cooler for a few days when we were in Ao Nang, and like we've forgotten how much you sweat, but we are pouring.
Yeah.
So we're a mess.
That was a long day. That was a long day. So
it was a very long day.
We're ready to hit the bed. Shower first, cold shower I think. And yeah, that is it for today I think.
That is definitely it for today. When you, even though technically you're not going very far, you're not moving to a different country, like it still takes it out of you. Travel day, no matter what, no matter how close you think it is, it's still knackering.
It is, and especially with today, like we did everything kind of as and when it happened. Like nothing really was planned.
No.
So I think that probably takes it out of you mentally a bit more.
Yeah, because you're
really
trying to work out how to get from one place to the next, but yeah. But no, it was good. And we're here, and it's hot.
Yeah. First impressions, I like it. It's a bit busy, especially the beach.
Yeah, the beach tonight was very busy.
But yeah, I'm sure it'll be awesome, and we're going to check out other beaches along the coast too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But for now we'll say good night.
Definitely.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Night.